Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about hydration, what you can do when your skin is feeling dry, it's feeling flaky, it's looking all sorts of I don't have any examples, but yeah, do you know what I mean? When you want your skin to be hydrated and, you know, looking glowy and dewy, this is what you do. So this is a 3-step routine. It's very basic, nothing complex, because I feel like, you know, simplicity is key. Like I always say, you don't need to do the most, you guys. It's literally just about looking at your skin and looking at the ingredients on certain products. So me personally, I have a combination skin. So what that means is I have an oily T-zone, and then around my outer layer is quite dry. So when I tend to use the wrong products, or when my skin gets irritated, my skin literally starts flaking, it gets patchy, and it becomes extremely dry and sensitive. So when that happens, I have to kind of like stop everything I'm doing and stick to this 3-step routine that I'm going to show you guys. The most important thing is when you're looking for products, you need to look for products that cater towards dry skin. You don't want to find ingredients that are more leaning towards oily skin. What I recommend is using a cleanser like this one. This is an oil-based cleanser. It's from the Body Shop and it's called the Oils of Life, guys. I really recommend this cleanser. I think it is so good if you have dry skin. Definitely. It's got 3 oils in it. It's got one of my favorite oils, which is rosehip seed oil. If you guys have watched my first ever skincare routine, you know how much I rave about rosehip seed oil, so I definitely recommend this. I'm gonna show you guys how I apply it onto my face. So this is the consistency of it. It's quite a thick consistency. I rub it into my hands and then I rub it on my skin. And it is quite it feels like I'm rubbing oil onto my skin, which I really like. What I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse it off so it feels really dewy and it feels like really hydrating. I just think that this is a process that you probably shouldn't skip, because this is honestly what helps me when I have really dry skin. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when I take it off and go on to the next step. So this is how my skin is looking straight from washing it. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to air dry it like what I usually do. Okay, so my face is completely dried now, and guys, can you see that it still looks like I got moisturizer on? I don't know if it's in my head, but to me it looks and it feels like my skin is moisturized. And that's why I say make sure you get yourself an oil-based cleanser, because this will change your dry skin. So the next very important step is moisturizer, guys. This step is actually crucial because this is what's going to stay on your face for like the whole day or the whole night. So you want to get a moisturizer that is hydrating, again something that caters towards dry or dry sensitive skin. And recently I started using this Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel based cream, and I've been absolutely loving it, guys. It's so hydrating and it feels so good on my skin. So yeah, so let me show you guys how I do it. Just like that, my skin is hydrated and moisturized. So I just add 1 layer like you guys saw, and this will literally be so good to me for the whole entire day. I also love applying it at night time as well because it's just so hydrating. Lastly, the last step is to add an oil onto your skin. So you can use any oil of your choice. I recommend using rosehip seed oil and vitamin E oil. These are the oils I have used, but I know there's so many oils out there that are also very, very good. The reason why I say add an oil as your last step is because you need something to seal that moisture in. So moisture you got from the cleanser and from the moisturizer, it needs to be sealed in. So I'm going to be using this vitamin E oil. This one, I absolutely love vitamin E because it's good for scarring as well. So it's kind of like a 3-in-1. I'm going to show you guys how I apply it onto my skin. And that's it, you guys. That is literally me done. That is my 3-step process for when my skin is dry and I need to hydrate it ASAP. This is what I do. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you have found this video useful. If you do have questions for me, guys, just drop it in the comment section and I will respond to each one. But yeah, that's it from me, guys.